Assalamu alaikum students, this is your physics class. So let's start. So this is example 3.7. A bullet of mass 20 gram is fired from a gun with a muzzle velocity 100 meter per second. Find the recoil of the gun if its mass is 5 kg. So students, as in the previous example, I told you that in the application of law of conservation of momentum, there was a gun which had a bullet in it, and if you remember, we mentioned the mass of the bullet with small m and the mass of the gun with capital M. The velocity of the bullet before it was fired was small v, and after the gun recoils it was capital V. So in this equation, if you see, the bullet of the mass is given as 20 grams. So in order to convert 20 grams into kilograms, we will divide it with 1000. As you know, kilo means 1000. So in this equation, we can clearly see that mass is 20 gram. We know that when we have to convert grams into kilograms, we will divide the amount with 1000. Then we will get 0.02 kg. We do this because we want to make the quantities of the same numbers. If we are using kilogram, then we have to use meter per second for the velocity. And if you see, the mass of gun is also given in the form of kgs, which is 5 kgs. So after converting the mass of the bullet from grams to kilograms, if we see, the next thing that is given as a data is velocity, which is 100 meter per second, and the mass of the bullet is 5 kgs. What we are told to find is V. V is the velocity that we have to find when the gun recoils. So as we remember, the formula from the law of conservation of momentum was, capital MV plus MV is equal to 0. If you remember, this was the formula when we added both the equations which were before the gun was fired and after the gun was fired. This 0 is this shows momentum of the gun and the bullet before it is even fired. This is the momentum of the gun when it's fired. So if we add up, if we put the values into this, you can see this is the mass of the gun, which is 5 kg. Then V of the gun, that we don't know. Then mass of the bullet, which is 0.202 kg. And then the velocity of the bullet. If we solve this equation, we can see that we can find V, which is 0.4 meter per second. If you solve it with the same formula as it was given in the book, which was V is equals to minus M over M into V. If you remember the formula, this is the formula that we derived from the law of conservation of momentum. So this V is actually the velocity after the recoil. This mass is the mass of the bullet. If you remember, this mass is the mass of the gun, and this V is the velocity of the gun before it was recoiled. So if we solve it, it's easy. It's a very easy calculation. You don't have to think much about it. It's given in the data. So answer is 0.4 meter per second. And as I told you in the previous lecture, the negative sign always indicates that the gun recoils in the opposite direction or the backward direction. If you remember, I told you whenever gun is fired, it always recoils in the opposite direction. So if we read it, the negative sign indicates that the gun recoils, that is, moves in the backward direction opposite to the motion of the bullet with a velocity of 0.4 meter per second. I hope there's nothing difficult in this numerical. Okay, now students, I will tell you how to do it in your practice copies. In fact, you will do this example in your NEET copies. So first of all, you will write the example number 3.7. Then you will write the example, which is a bullet of mass 20 gram is fired from a gun with a muzzle velocity 100 meter per second. Find the recoil of the gun if its mass is 5 kg. First of all, we will write the given data, which is small m 20 grams, small v 100 meter per second, and capital M is 5 kgs. Then we will write the required value is V, capital V, which is unknown. Next, we will write the solution. Small m is given as 20 grams. We divide it with 1000 and we get 0.02 kg. So we have small m is equal to 0.02 kg. Then you will write according to the law of conservation of momentum, capital M V plus mv is equals to 0. So by putting the values, we get this calculation, 5 kg into V plus 0.02 kg into 100 meter per second, which is equals to 0. If we take this side after the 0 or at the right side, then we know that minus sign comes here. You take the quantity from here to here, from your left hand side to right hand side, then it gives the minus sign. So after these, we can get the value of V. Let me tell you one thing, in your book there is a small mistake over here. They have written it 0.2 kg, which is not 0.2 kg, it's actually 0.02 kg. तो आप अपनी काम करते हुए उसको कॉपी करके गलत ना लिख लीजिएगा. It's 0.02 kg. इसको आप जब सॉल्व करते हैं तो we get 0.4 meter per second.